Let's do body language, even though I didn't think we were going to actually have time to do body language. So body language, there's a high part and a low part of this. The high part of this is active. It's what you see here: facial expressions, gestures, eye contact. Okay. Those pieces that are changing as we talk. You see, like even online, right? I'm gesturing. I'm describing things. Eye contact, looking at people, right? So you want to do eye contact effectively with an audience. Let me move back a little bit. What you want to do is you want to take somebody here, somebody back here. If you have a really big audience, take people here, people back here, and a couple of people in the middle. And you want to make eye contact with this person. Then you want to go make, it's called the triangle method, right? Then you go make eye contact with this person. Then you go make eye contact with this person. Then you go make eye contact with that person. You're making eye contact with individual people, but you're spreading it out. And everybody now feels like you're talking with them. Okay. Everybody feels like you're talking with them. So facial expressions, same conversation we were having with voice. Gestures. Allow yourself to explain things with your hands, right? Like I used a slide, I used a prop, but I could have just used my hand. So you show a slide and everybody looks at the slide and everybody's reading the slide and you're reading the slide and you're talking about the slide while you're reading the slide, but nobody's listening to you because they're reading the slide while you're those are gestures. Those are meaning-making gestures, right? Those are incredibly engaging, both for you as a speaker and then for your audience. Because when you're engaged as a speaker, your audience joins you in that moment. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to have a shared moment. This is not a disembodied textbook exercise the way a journal article is. This is about trying to create a shared moment. And gestures help us do that. Position, posture, lean, all very important. Don't stand in the back half of the stage. Don't be way back here. Don't be way away from the camera. If I was back here talking with you, right? No, I want to talk with you. Come forward. Show people you want to talk to them, right? How you sit is important. I'm not sitting back in a chair like this talking to you, right? I'm sitting up forward. I got weight on my feet. I'm leaning in, right? And I'm solid. I'm solid. Don't lock one knee. When you lock one knee, all your weight goes to one heel. And now you're backwards and you're not solid and you're a little, this is what you look like when you're leaning back on one locked knee. This is what you look like when you have both feet planted and you're solid, okay? Even seated, I'm solid, okay? So that's a little bit about body language. That posture piece is really important. A little posture trick, like a lot of times people stand with their hands like this at their sides and see what that does to my shoulders when my hands, when the back of my hands is pointed forward. But look what happens as soon as I let my palms face the audience, my shoulders open and back and down. And when my shoulders go, when my shoulders are like this, look what it does to my throat, which ruins my voice. Doesn't let my voice project, doesn't let my diaphragm open. When I do this, lifts my chin, opens my throat, opens my diaphragm. Very important. Need to be open. Watch when people sing, they're open, right? Because they're projecting. They want their voice to carry. They want their voice to penetrate. It's not about being loud. It's about being full. Different than loud. Don't yell. There's no need to yell. But there's a need to be open and full. Okay. I'm gonna finish with two quick things. And then we're going to open it up to Q&A. I'm going to get out of the PowerPoint and back to the screen sharing. And if you want to turn on your video and turn on your mic and raise your hand, get in line. We're almost there.